In this short video, I'm going to show you how you can get started with using the Globalization Pipeline package for the Atom editor to translate your Bluemix applications. For those of you who are unaware of Bluemix, Bluemix is IBM's platform as a service, and the Globalization Pipeline service on Bluemix helps you rapidly translate your applications into multiple languages. So to get started, you'll need to install the GP Atom package for the Atom code editor, and you can follow the link below so you can grab that extension out on the GP Atom website here off of atom.io. And after you do that, then you can install that into the Atom editor, and then we'll show you how to configure that. So once I've installed the package for the Globalization Pipeline service, and installed it into the Atom code editor, then I'll need to basically set that up. And you can click on the settings link here. And if we scroll down, you'll see you'll be asked to put in the instance ID, password, the source language of the files that you're going to be translating, and the target languages, as well as the URI to the service and your user ID. And you can grab that information out on the dashboard for the Globalization Pipeline service. You can click on API users, and from there you can actually go ahead and create a new API user, grab those credentials, and then enter them into the editor. So I've already gone ahead and configured the Atom code editor with my credentials from the Globalization Pipeline service. So let's see how we actually go about using it. So here I've opened up a Java properties file, and this is from a Bluemix application that I've got deployed out on Bluemix. And let's suppose I want to translate this into multiple languages. So how do we do that? So we can bring up the context menu, and once we do that, you'll see you have an option for Globalization Pipeline. So let's go ahead and create a bundle. And I'm going to name it My Bundle. Once you do that, it'll actually connect to the Globalization Pipeline service out on Bluemix, create the bundle for you. So now let's upload that content. Now, what we've already done is we've already set up the code editor here to automatically translate into Spanish and French, and I did that when I set up my settings. So you could set any number of languages that you like that the Bluemix Globalization Pipeline service supports. So let's go ahead and upload that bundle. So once again, bring up Globalization Pipeline, and this time we'll choose Upload Source Bundle. And then once again, let's select the bundle that we created. So I created my bundle, so we'll just select that. And then what will happen here is this will automatically parse your content that's displayed here in the editor. It'll upload that to the Globalization Pipeline service out on Bluemix, and then it'll start automatically translating that content for you. So how do you actually use your content once you've pushed it to the service? Well, you've got a few different options to actually access your content. One option certainly is the one we recommend, is to use the Globalization Pipeline SDKs, and you can follow the link below for being able to do that. And the Globalization Pipeline SDKs are available in a variety of programming languages, and that enables you to connect to the Globalization Pipeline service dynamically and retrieve your content without you actually having to download your translated files, recompile, rebuild, repackage, or redeploy, or in some cases even restart your application server. So you go ahead and use the SDKs. It's the easiest way to make use of the service. However, for those people who actually want to download a translated file, we do support that. So if you click once again on the context menu, bring up Globalization Pipeline, you click on Download Bundle, then you'll see the display list of all the bundles, and here we'll choose My Bundle. And now you're shown a choice of the languages that we've translated into. I'm going to go ahead and select Spanish, and once I do that, that'll download the translated content for me, and that'll be in a JSON format. And that's all there is to it. So it's pretty simple, easy to use, and you can rapidly translate your applications on Bluemix using the Globalization Pipeline service.